Hi everyone, welcome back to Tammy Lee TV. Today I'm going to teach you how to make mini sweet potato chicken pesto pizza. That's a mouthful.